We have addition of algebraic fractions. We can add algebraic fractions only when we have the same denominator, the same like for addition of fractions. So first, let's check our denominators. We have t squared minus t minus 12 and t squared minus 3t minus 4. This is general quadratic trinomial in the denominator, in the first denominator and in the second denominator. So first we will check if we can factorize these denominators. So because we have t squared, coefficient before t is 1, so I will try to find two numbers which product give me negative 12, and when I add these two numbers I will have negative 1. Coefficient before t is negative 1. So we have two parentheses. We have t squared, so we need to have t at the beginning. And the product must be negative 12 and sum is negative 1. So it will be negative 4 and positive 3, because negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 and negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. You can always check this when we multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis, and you combine the like terms, you will have exactly this expression. So numerator we have to copy, and the same we will try to do with the second denominator, because we have t squared, so general quadratic trinomial. So we will try to find two numbers which product is negative 4 and sum is negative 3. So t at the beginning, because we have t squared, so t times t is t squared. And now to get negative 4, so we will take positive 1 and negative 4. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4, and 1 plus negative 4 give me negative 3. So now if you multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis and you combine the like terms, you will get exactly the same expression which we have in the second denominator. And numerator we have to copy. After this factorization, we see that what we have here in the first denominator we have t minus 4 and t minus 4. It means we will have t minus 4 in the least common denominator. Next we have t plus 3, and we don't have t plus 3 in the second denominator. It means we have to multiply in this denominator by t plus 3. If I multiply this denominator, I have to multiply numerator by the same expression, t plus 3, of course. And now, let's check what we have. So we will have in denominator t plus 3 also. So we have t minus 4, t plus 3. And let's check the second denominator. We have t plus 1, and we don't have here. So it means we have to multiply the first denominator by t plus 1. If I multiply the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. I have to multiply by t plus 1 whole numerator. And now let's check. We have t plus 1. So we have t minus 4, we have t plus 3, t plus 1, t plus 1, t minus 4, t plus 3. So we have the same denominator. So we can do now multiplication in the numerators. So every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. 2t times t is 2t squared, 2t times 1 is 2t, negative 3 times t is negative 3t, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. This is our first algebraic fraction plus the numerator. I will put first t minus 4. This is multiplication, so I can change. I can put this term first because I have this first in the first denominator. Next I have t plus 3 and the last t plus 1. I can always change the order when I have multiplication. And now every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. 3t times 3, t is 3t squared. 3t times 3 is 9t. Negative 2 times t is negative 2t. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Now we have the same denominator, so we copy denominator and we can add numerators. And we will combine the like terms. We have 2t squared, 2t minus 3t is negative t minus 3. And we have plus before this whole expression. And we have 3t squared. 9t minus 2t, so will be 7t, and negative 6 we have to copy. Next, again, we have to combine the like terms, and we will copy denominator. (2t) and 3t squared, so will be 5t squared. Negative t and positive 7t, so will be plus 6t. And negative 3 and negative 6 is negative 9. Next, we can check if we can factorize our numerator. We have 5t squared, 6t, and minus 9. So we cannot factorize our numerator. So we cannot reduce anything. This is my solution.